How to use the lasso tool in Photoshop. First, you have to go to the left side for the tool panel, and the third one down is the lasso tool. Click on that. Now this video will cover the regular lasso tool. There are 3 types of lassos. So using the regular lasso tool, highlight the layer that you want to lasso something from, and if I'm going to lasso the woman on the right, I would just click and draw around her. And to complete the circle, I can just let go and it'll make a straight line to the beginning from anywhere. Additionally, if I want to manipulate that, I can cut the woman out by hitting Command X on a Mac or Control X on a PC. And if I want to paste her in the same spot on a new layer, I'm going to go ahead down the bottom right, click on the New Layer tab or icon, and then go to Edit, Paste Special, Paste in Place. There is a keyboard shortcut for that as well that's worth learning. And that is how you use the lasso tool in Photoshop. If this video answered your Photoshop questions without wasting any of your time, please like the video, and while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe.